Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another episode of Shell's Road to Fall. Today I'm doing some rustic DIY projects for the fall season. I hope you enjoy. I started with these two pieces of MDF that I picked up from my local Spotlight store. I knew they'd be the perfect shape and size for what I had in mind. I took some wood grain contact paper that I picked up from my local Kmart and I decided to cut them to size and cover them. Starting with the circle, I took each piece and I traced it onto the contact paper. I then took some scissors and cut it out, ready to be placed onto the MDF. Using my fingers, I smoothed out any air bubbles and placed the contact paper over the top. I then took the second piece and repeated the same steps. Taking a piece of cardboard, I drew freehand what I thought would look like pumpkin stems and I cut them out. You'll be left with two pieces that look like this, and taking some more rustic style contact paper from Kmart, I covered these two little stems. Trimming it to size, I was then left with these two pieces. Turning my project over and taking a hot glue gun, I hot glued the little stem to the top. I then repeated the same process with the second one. Taking this self-adhesive burlap ribbon, I cut two pieces to size. Cutting them both on angles, these were going to be parts of my bows. Removing the burlap from the tape, I added them to the pumpkins. Once it was complete, I added these decorative dollar store bows to the top. Taking a rustic shelf that I already had, I wanted my pumpkins to stand upright. Taking an old ribbon spool, I hot glued the first one in place so it would lean against it for added support. I then took the second pumpkin and I hot glued it to the side so it would glue up against the other pumpkin. Then taking some more of that burlap ribbon, I cut out shapes so they'd look like little leaves. Taking the hot glue gun, I glued these leaves to the front. Off camera, I also added a self-adhesive rhinestone to the leaves. And here are my rustic fall pumpkins. I love how I took some inexpensive items and was able to create the rustic feel I was aiming for. Even though I'm a glam girl at heart, I like everything that is rustic as well as farmhouse, especially white, guys. I like chippy items and I love how this contact paper created that look. Guys, decorating rustic style can certainly be expensive, but I love how my $3 roll of Kmart Australia contact paper gave me that rustic look without breaking the bank. My next fall-inspired DIY starts with a bag of cotton balls as well as a roll of brown cardboard. I've always wanted my very own cotton stems, and there's so many YouTube videos showing you how to do this. So I decided to put my thinking cap on and give it Shell's own style. So taking that brown cardboard, I just roughly sketched the shape of a small star. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys, for what I have in mind. I then cut it out and then made about 10 more. Once I'd cut them all out, I then took my first one and I wanted to bend the star inwards so it would look like a little cup. You want it to look along the lines of something like this. I then repeated the same steps to all the stars. Now, taking some of those cotton balls, I took one first of all, and what you want to do is you want to fluff it out. You want the cotton ball to look quite fluffy and big. I first sat it inside the cardboard, making sure I was happy with the size of the cotton ball. Before gluing them inside the cardboard, I took this old dollar store flowers and I removed the flowers and was left with the stems. I then took all the cotton balls and I hot glued them inside the cardboard. Again, here I'm fluffing things out. I really wanted my cotton balls to be nice, round and fluffy. Once they were complete, I then started to hot glue them onto my stems. Once they were completely covered, I then did the same thing by using another one of those flowers. And here are my completed cotton stems. Guys, I'm so happy that I was able to create the look I was after with simple dollar store items and a piece of cardboard. Guys, don't be afraid to use inexpensive items when it comes to decorating. I love browsing through Google and Pinterest and finding little ideas that I can put my own personal touch on. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed another episode of Shell's Road to Fall. I hope I've inspired you to decorate for the fall season, and I hope I've shown you a few little ideas that you could put together yourself with completely inexpensive items. So don't forget guys to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home. So until next time my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.